Hello and welcome to Unity online multiplayer game, just like PUBG TDM. When the game starts, it asks you for your name. You have to write your username by which name you want to join this game. So you write your name, then you create a room or you can find room. I will create a new room by the name friend room. Create room, and it will create a new room, and you can see that there is one player now whose name is Peter. Now I open this same game from another computer by the name Alisher. I click on find room and I join the room friend room. You can see now we have two players. Team 1 has Peter and team 2 has Alisher, as you can see. So now if you start the game, then one is blue team, that is, and the other one is the red team. Alisher is blue team and the red team is Peter. Just like PUBG TDM, if the red team kills any player from the blue team, then it will be added to the red team numbers. That is how many players red team kills. Similarly, if the blue team kills any player from the red team, then it will be added to the blue team. That is how many players are killed by the blue team. For example, now let's kill a player here. As you can see, both are searching for each other. So let's say if the other player, so now if this player kill the other opposite team player, as you can see he is killed. That's why one is added to the blue team, because blue team kills one person from the red team. Also the red team kill blue team, so one is added to the red team as well. As you can see. And of course, if there are hundreds of online players available, then they can join the same room, or they can create a new room and join that new room. For example, currently I have these 4 players online, as you can see.
So right here I have these 4 players, as you can see. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna first of all name all of the players. So let's for example say that the first player name is Peter. Okay, let's click next, and when you click next, it will give you these 3 buttons: find room, create room, and quit game. Okay, now let's leave this one right here as it is. Let's join from our second PC. Okay, and right here let's name this player as Andrew. Click next, it will give you the 3 buttons on this one as well. Okay, let's join by the name of Alisher now. Okay, and then the last one will be, let's just say, Jack. Okay, let's click next. So now what we're gonna do by using the first player, okay, which is by the name of Peter right here, if now Peter creates a room, let's name this as Peter room. Okay, you can name the room whatever you want. Okay, so now if I click on create room, it will show the loading screen because the room is creating. And once the room is created, as you can see, it is showing my player name Peter, and then it automatically assign a team to my player, okay, which is team 1, as you can see right here. Okay, so now if I join the same room from the other player, okay, so right here if now I click on find room, as you can see it is showing Peter room. Okay, if I click on it, it shows the loading screen, and after that, as you can see, Andrew also joins the Peter room. As you can see, here is Andrew, and Andrew is automatically assigned to team 2. Okay, so in this game we have a teaming system. Okay, so for example, if there are 2 players, then the first player will be team 1 and the second will be team 2, and if there are 3 players, okay, then 1 or 2 players will be on team 1 and the last one will be on team 2, and if there are 4, then 2 player will be team 1 and 2 will be team 2. Okay, and if there are 6, then 3 will be on team 1 and 3 will be on team 2. Okay, so we have a teaming system in this game as well. Okay, so now let's join the game by using the other player. Okay, so now right here if we click on find room, here is Peter room. Okay, And now as you can see by this player Alisher, I have also joined this room, and automatically team 1 is assigned to Alisher. Okay, now let's join it from this one. And from this one, as you can see from the Jack, when I join it, it automatically assigned team 2 to Jack. Okay, and as you can see, the information on all of the players are the same. Okay, 1 2 1 2. Okay, now as you can see right here on the other players, we just have the leave room button, but the player which is the owner of the room has the start button. Okay, so now if I click on start, it will start the game. Okay, and also if I leave the room from this player, okay, then it will give the ownership to the other player. Okay, for example this player. Okay, but for now let's just start the game on all of these 4 players so that we can see how does it looks inside. Okay, let's click on start game. Okay, now as you can see the game is started. Okay, now as you can see Alisher was on my team, so as you can see it is showing team 1 and Alisher. Okay, as you can see here it is. Okay, let's move outside. Okay, this is our player. Okay, for now because of the network lag, our camera is a little bit lagging. Okay, because on a single computer I am running 4 games. Okay, so that's why, but it will be perfectly fine in other players. Okay, if the players are on different computers. Okay, so if I click escape button, it will give this menu which is the leave game and quit game button. Okay, but I don't want to leave the game. Instead what I want is to move to this one. Now as you can see it is showing Peter team 1. Okay, so Peter and Alisher are on the same team. Okay, if I show you, as you can see they are on the same team and they are spawned in team 1 area. Okay, right here. And now if we check the other two, okay, there is the other 2 players. Okay, they are, as you can see, on team 2. Andrew and Jack are on team 2, as you can see. Okay, so now for example if I try to damage my own player, you will notice that it will not damage the player. Okay, as you can see. Okay, we can also aim as well on the player. Okay, as you can see, it will not damage the player. Okay, so now if the team 1 player moves towards that team 2 area, as you can see, okay, there are both of the players right there, as you can see. Okay, so there is team 2 players right there. Okay, so now if I try to damage Andrew, as you can see Andrew take damage, it shows the blood effect, and on the Andrew PC, as you can see, the Andrew health is now decreased. Okay, and if you notice Andrew is moving as well in the other player scene as well, as you can see. Okay, just like an online multiplayer game. Okay, now if Andrew try to damage Peter, as you can see the Peter health is decreasing when I shoot him. Okay, and also you can see the objectives. Okay, the UI just like 3DM. If any team make 40 kills first, then that team will wins, and also there is a timer of 10 minutes, so in 10 minutes whichever team kills are more than the other one, then that team will win. Okay, so now if I try to now kill team 2 Andrew player, okay, as you can see Andrew is being deleted from that area, and if you notice right here Andrew is now respawn on the team 2 area, as you can see right here. Okay, as you can see Andrew is right there. Now if I, by using Andrew, if I kill Peter, as you can see Peter is now right here back again on his own area, as you can see right here. Okay, and you can also notice the score changed to 1 and 1. Okay, now if I kill the team 2 players again. Okay, right now this game I think seems a little bit boring because I am playing from all of the players, but when there are online players, okay, then it will be fun just like the PUBG TDM. Okay, so now if I try to shoot both of them, as you can see, he's being died on this position and respawn on his own area. Okay, and now if I kill the team 2 Jack, as you can see, Jack is dead and he's respawn right there. Okay, just like in PUBG TDM or any other online multiplayer game. And you can also see the score is being increased to 3 now. Okay, so in this way they can just damage and then get killed, and also they can get respawn. Okay, unless the score reaches 40 or the timer runs out. Okay, so everything is working perfectly fine. Now you can also see this leave and quit game button. Okay, so if we click any of the button, it will leave the game or it will simply close the game. Okay, so now the next thing I want to show is that when okay, let's join the game by these two players. Okay, if Jack creates a room, okay, Jack room 1, click on create room. As you can see right here we have team 1 Jack. Okay, and it also shows the room name as well. So now if we join the same room from here, as you can see, it is showing the start and leave button, and it also shows the leave button right here. Okay, so now if for example Alisher leaves the room, as you can see Alisher has left the room. Okay, and now if we join the rooms again, now as you can see Alisher joins the room back again. Okay, and now if Jack leave the room, okay, and as you know that Jack is the owner of the room, if we click on leave room, now as you can see the ownership is given to Alisher. Now Alisher can start or leave the room. Okay, so in the start I was talking about this. Okay, now if let's create a room from the Alisher PC. Okay, click create room. Here it is. Now if we join it from here, as you can see, it joins the room from this end as well.
So you will learn all these things in this course. So at the end of this course you will learn how to make your own online multiplayer game using Unity game engine, and how to create rooms and how to join rooms. All these you will learn in this course. So see you guys in the course.